Do you want to lose weight, have more energy, boost your immune system, slow down aging, and get a glowy skin, hair, and nails? All of that can be achieved through your diet and your lifestyle choices. In today's video, we're focusing on juices and smoothies and how that can help you get that glow you desire from inside out. I also have some bonus tips and free resources for you, so please make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss out. Many people prefer to drink fruits and vegetables instead of munching on them. Either they are trying to lose weight, they are trying to improve their immune system, achieve a glowy skin, or improve their overall health. Because let's be honest, it's very boring eating fruits and vegetables. I know, it's always better to eat the whole thing, but a lot of us are guilty in terms of not eating enough fruits and vegetables that are actually recommended daily. The daily recommendation for fruits and vegetables is about 4 to 5 cups. How many of us take that every single day? Let's not lie. Okay, a lot of us don't. And that is basically about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of fruits and 2 to 3 cups of veggies. Obviously, a lot of the food we consume daily doesn't have up to that. So a good way to supplement that is through juicing and through smoothies. So let's talk about 3 main benefits of fruits and vegetables to your skin. First is it supports your collagen production. Collagen is found in all our skin tissues, from our skin to our muscles to our bones to our teeth. Everything needs collagen, and your fruits and vegetables contain the right amount of vitamin C, which supports your collagen and helps to repair and heal up any injuries done to our skin tissue. Now, you might be wondering what fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamin C. Well, we have citrus, we have spinach, we have cabbage, pepper, and strawberries, and so much more. Now, let's talk about the next benefit of fruits and veggies to your skin. As we know, sun damage does 2 things to the skin. It makes you burn, causes hyperpigmentation in dark-skinned people like myself, and it makes you age faster. It brings up all those wrinkles that you get in your skin. So in terms of sun damage, vitamin A protects you from the sun damage. It's anti-inflammatory, it has retinol, which is great for giving you that youthfulness and good skin elasticity, once again reducing your wrinkles, and it has beta-carotene, amongst other benefits that come with vitamin A. So some fruits and vegetables that have vitamin A are apricots, spinach, carrot, and so on. For the third benefit of fruits and vegetables, which is to help your skin slow down the aging process, we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is anti-inflammatory. It's also similar to vitamin A in the sense that it helps to also heal up your wounds. It's great for softening up your skin by improving your skin's elasticity and promoting hydration. So if you're dealing with wrinkles, dull skin, you need your vitamin E. Some foods that contain these are dark leafy vegetables, your nuts, your seeds. All of that contains a good dose of vitamin E. So once we understand the importance of eating fruits and vegetables to support our skin health, is there anything we need to keep in mind in terms of consuming this, especially in the form of juicing and smoothie? Well, the most common disadvantage will be that we tend to consume excess juice and smoothies just because it's pretty easy for us to take. It tastes better than eating the whole fruits itself. We can quickly take a lot of amounts in a short period of time compared to if we're actually chewing the fruits and vegetables ourselves. So we tend to take excess amounts, which means we are adding more calories and more sugar to our system. If you're taking vegetables more than fruits, it wouldn't be too much of an issue because you're getting less sugar in comparison to fruits. So keep that in mind, especially for those that are on a particular diet. For example, if you are diabetic, you shouldn't be taking too much fruit juices because that will spike up your sugar levels as quick as this. And it's going to overwork your pancreas because your pancreas is what produces your insulin to balance your sugar levels. It's very easy for your body to absorb the juice that you're consuming. I mean, it will take about 10 to 20 minutes for your body to absorb your juice compared to if you're actually eating the whole fruits, the whole vegetables, which will take longer because your body starts to digest that from you chewing it in your mouth. But with juice, you're gulping in all the nutrients straight up, which is good, but can also be bad if you're taking excess amounts and your health conditions doesn't necessarily support the type of fruits you are taking. So for those wondering, which is better for me? Is it juicing or smoothies? Well, I think I've kind of answered that just now, but I also want to add to it. When you're juicing, you're taking out the fiber content from your fruits and vegetables. So you're taking mostly the water and the nutrients that come with those produce. That is not bad. At least you're getting a lot of nutrients. But I prefer smoothies because you can get even more nutrients by consuming the fibers, because when you make smoothies, you're basically just cutting it up into smaller pieces, adding all sorts of other nutritional elements to it, ingredients to it, like your collagen, your protein supplements, your yogurt, your kefir, your nuts, so much more that you can add to your smoothie, which you can't really do with your juicing. So that is a big difference, and that is why I prefer smoothies to juicing, because I get more nutritional value from the smoothie than the juice. The other advantage will be that if you're on a weight loss journey, obviously smoothies will be better than juicing, because the pulps in the smoothie, the fiber in the smoothie, and every other ingredients you're going to add to it will definitely make you feel fuller than if you're just juicing. And the third reason why I prefer smoothies to juice is because it's more convenient. I mean, you just cut up fruits, it could be frozen, it could be fresh, put them in your blender and blend everything up. And not just fruits, but vegetables and other ingredients that you can all blend up as a meal and drink that up. I feel like that is more convenient than juicing. I do more of smoothies than juices because I don't have a juicer. So for me to juice, I'm gonna have to use a cheesecloth and squeeze out the juice, which is not the most convenient. And even using a juicer, some juicers are quite expensive. So when I talk about convenience, I'm talking about the money and the time, because some juicers also take time to quickly make a good amount of juice compared to if you're just blending up a smoothie. So because of these three main factors that I just mentioned, in terms of convenience, in terms of the cost, in terms of the nutritional values that I'm getting from both juice and smoothies, I prefer doing smoothies than juicing. So in terms of choosing which is best, it depends on what you are trying to achieve. So if you just need alternative healthy juice in the house, instead of you buying store juices which are filled with a lot of artificial sugar, you can easily make up your own juice at home. I think that's great. Personally, I take juice mostly maybe when I'm taking a meal, like a dinner. My hubby, for example, he likes to take juice instead of smoothie when he's having dinner. But smoothies for me is more filling, and I like that. Sometimes I give it to my hubby as his breakfast when he's going to work. It's just easy to take smoothie and snacks to work. So it just works perfectly fine. Also, you want to keep in mind your health condition, like I mentioned. If you're trying to lose weight, do less vegetables than fruits. Do less vegetables than fruits. I'm repeating that again because I know a lot of people, I mean, it's just normal. Most people prefer what tastes good, what is a little bit sugary, which are the fruits. But then they have more calories and higher sugar levels. I recommend you doing both juicing and smoothie because they can be taken differently, and sometimes you just want to get that very smooth, watery drink that doesn't have pulp in it like smoothie would have. So yeah, both of them work perfectly fine. You just have to keep in mind the differences between both of them. The most important thing is that you're doing more vegetables than fruits. Which brings me to the bonus tip for this video, which is I'll be sharing with you 12 recipes. Yes, you heard me right. 12 recipes each for smoothies and juicing that you can try out from the comfort of your home. This is great for skin. If you want to achieve that glowy skin, you definitely want to try out these recipes, and I have the link down in the description box below, which means I have 24 recipes for you. Yes, 12 smoothies, 12 juicing recipes. So all you need to do is to click the link below in the description box, which will take you to my website where you can download it for free. As you know, on this channel, I'm all about making you look your best, feel your best, and live your best life. So if that's your vibe, please consider joining this thriving family by clicking on that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching and you learned a thing or two. Now let me know if you have any questions for me in the comments, and please share this video with your loved ones. I will see you in the next one. You can check out this video as well, but until then, keep shining. Bye.